Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's practice. In this series, we will cover all the important questions from the important topics of chemistry. I can ensure you that from this series, you will get to revise all the important topics which are important for your UPSC EPFO exam. So, let's start today with our first topic, atomic structure and radioactivity. I will suggest you that in each question, first pause the video. Try to attempt it by your own. You can comment your answer in comment box and then resume for the solution. I will try to explain and give some extra fact in each question. So let's practice. Question number 1. Who is known as the father of nuclear physics? Option A. J.J. Thomson. Option B. E. Rutherford. Option C. Niels Bohr. Option D. None of these. Here, the correct answer will be option B, E. Rutherford. Now I want to add some important facts. Ernest Rutherford is known as the father of nuclear physics. He is famous for his work on radioactivity and the discovery of the nucleus of an atom. He got the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1908. Okay, I hope it's clear. Let's move on to our next question. What is the drawback of Rutherford's model of the atom? Before going to the options, let's discuss the Rutherford's model of the atom. If electrons revolve around the nucleus in an atom, they will undergo acceleration similar to any orbiting particle. Since electrons are charged, they would radiate energy when accelerated. This will decrease the radius of their circular path. This means an electron will eventually orbit the nucleus in a spiral path and will collide with the nucleus. If this happens, then none of the atom should be stable. But we see that atoms are quite stable. Now let's see the options. Option A. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular paths. Option B. The size of the nucleus is very small as compared to the size of the atom. Option C. The revolution of the electron in a circular orbit is not expected to be stable. Option D. None of these. So the answer will be option C. Let's see the next question. How many electrons can be present in the outermost orbit of an atom? Option A 6, option B 4, option C 2, option D 8. Correct answer is option D 8. Atoms whose outermost orbit is fully filled, that is contains 8 electrons, then the atom is said to achieve octet. These atoms cannot react with other atoms as their valency becomes 0. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The question is, isotopes are option A, the atoms of different elements with different atomic number but same mass number. Option B, the atoms of the same element with the same atomic number but different mass number. Option C, the atoms of the same elements with different atomic number but the same mass number. Option D, none of these. The correct answer will be option B. The atoms of same element with same atomic number but different mass numbers are called isotopes of that element. Isotopes have same chemical properties but different physical properties. Isotope of uranium is used as fuel in nuclear reactors. Let's see the next question. Who discovered the neutrons? Option A, J.J. Thomson. Option B, Niels Bohr. Option C, J. Chadwick. Option D, none of these. Here, the correct answer is option C. J. Chadwick discovered neutron in 1932. Neutron doesn't have any charge and represent as N. Its mass is nearly equal to proton. Neutron is present in all atoms except hydrogen. Let's move on to the next question. The maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in an orbit is given by the formula. Option A 2n square, option B 2n power 5, option C 2n power 4, option D 2n power 3. The correct answer will be option A. The maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in an orbit is given by the formula 2n square, where n is the number of the orbit. The maximum number of the electrons in the outermost orbit can be accommodated is 8. Let's see the next question. The device used for the detection and measurement of all types of radiations, alpha, beta and gamma, is option A, Geiger counter, option B, polarimeter, option C, calorimeter, option D, radiometer. Correct answer is option A. Geiger counter is used for measuring ionizing radiation such as alpha particles, beta particles or gamma rays. Geiger-Müller tube uses radiation sensors which gives out an electronic signal when radiation is present, which is displayed in counts per second, and its unit is Sievert. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Which of the following rays have highest penetrating power? Option A, alpha rays, option B, beta rays, option C, gamma rays, option D, UV rays. Correct answer will be option C. Gamma rays have highest penetrating power, but they have comparatively the lowest ionizing power. Gamma rays are basically electromagnetic waves consisting of photons. Let's see the next question. Cobalt-60 is used in the treatment of which disease? Option A, AIDS, option B, SARS, option C, cancer, option D, anthrax. The correct answer is option C. Cobalt-60 therapy is a medical use of gamma rays from the radioisotope cobalt-60 to treat conditions such as cancer. The last question is, dash and dash are two elements which are isotones in nature. Option A, aluminium and oxygen. Option B, sodium and aluminium. Option C, carbon 14 and oxygen. Option D, boron and chlorine. The correct answer is option C, because two nuclides are isotones if they have the same neutron number n but different proton number z. Carbon and oxygen both have an equal number of neutrons, so they are isotones in nature. So these were the important questions from atomic structure and radioactivity for your UPSC EPFO exam. We will discuss next topic in our next video. If you don't want to miss this series, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification when the video will be uploaded. Thank you so much and keep learning.